No. Avoid me. Infection.
I'm sorry, but I really have to.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh man, I was prepared for this, man. This is not how we end the year. Look at my hand. And I don't know if you can see my hand. One of our lenses are scratched, so you'll see something on the screen. Kindly bear with us. Look at this. This is how my phone looks like. Look at that. Yes. I really don't know what happened. I will look on the footage and you know, I'm in pain, man. I'm really in pain. I have to sit down and think about my life. It was a good day, I will not lie. So this is what happened.